Aloha! Welcome to Part 3 of the Noeau Center's virtual workshop on APA citation and formatting. This workshop series focuses on the 7th edition of APA, primarily the expectations for student writing. Throughout the workshop, we'll refer to a sample paper, which you can find on the Noeau Center website if you would like to follow along or have a reference in front of you. In this section, we will be looking at APA guidelines for formatting different aspects of the paper, such as the title page, abstract, and more. In this workshop, we'll walk through some of the basics of formatting, but we know that you may have additional questions that are not covered in this video. For more information, check out the Purdue OWL or reach out to us at uhwowc@hawaii.edu. First, let's take a look at the title page. On the title page, the title of your draft should be centered, bolded, and 3 to 4 lines below the top margin of the page. The author's name is written below the title with one double-spaced blank line between them. Names should be written as they appear within the sample, with the first name, middle initials, and last name. The next line should include the course alpha and course title. The line below that should include the instructor's name, and below that the due date for the assignment. If you're familiar with older editions of APA, you might be wondering about the running head. Note that the running head is no longer recommended in the 7th edition of APA for student writing. Page numbers, however, are still required in the top right corner of each page. While abstracts are not required in the student version of APA 7th edition, we expect that students may still be asked to include abstracts in their drafts. If you are asked to include an abstract, this section provides guidelines based on the APA recommendations for professional papers. Abstracts provide a brief, comprehensive summary of the paper and should address main points from the paper. To start off, the title, Abstract, should be centered and bolded with the body of the abstract below. Note that there is no indent and we go straight into the first sentence. While there is no strict word limit, abstracts are generally below 250 words in order to stay concise and to the point. At the end of the abstract, keywords are included. The word keywords is indented, italicized, and followed by a colon, leading into a list of keywords separated by commas. In this list, proper nouns should be in title case, while all other keywords should remain lowercase. In this section, we'll be looking at our main paragraphs for the paper. To begin with, the title is repeated at the top of the first page of the draft. The title should be centered, bolded, and followed by an indented paragraph. The title also functions as a first-level heading. After the introduction, as you get into the next section of your draft, you can use a first-level heading to indicate that. Like the title, first-level headings are centered and bolded. Second-level headings are used when you have a paragraph that is a subtopic of your main point. For example, if I am writing about different places in Hawaii, I might have a first-level heading, Islands of Hawaii. Within that section, I might have sections about the different islands. For example, Oahu, Maui, and Kauai. Each of these islands would be a second-level heading because each would be a subsection of my section on the Islands of Hawaii. Second-level headings are bolded, in title case, and left justified. Third-level headings are subpoints of second-level headings. Within my section on Oahu, if I had subsections on different towns such as Kapolei, Ewa, and Waipahu, each of these would be third-level headings. Third-level headings are bolded, title case, and set to left justify while also being italicized. Throughout the draft, use a font that is easily readable. Some of the recommended fonts from APA are Calibri 11 point, Lucida Sans Unicode 10 point, and Times New Roman 12 point. In addition, the draft should be double-spaced throughout and have 1-inch margins all around unless otherwise specified. In addition, throughout the body of the paper, new paragraphs are indented. For more resources or to make an appointment with a tutor, visit our website. We can be found at westoahu.hawaii.edu/Noeau Center. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to your instructor or to the Noeau Center at 808-689-2750 or by email at uhwowc@hawaii.edu. Thank you for watching.